This is our coaching motto. This is how we plan a season. This is how we plan a campaign. This is how we plan any project. Dwayne, you will remember some of this stuff, even from the Cheetahs days. Scala, you can remember some of this stuff from the Stormers games in the beginning. Jock's been with this for years with me. And it's never changed. And it's not, this is actually the process. And I'm going to breeze through the things that I think is going to bore you. And then I'm going to focus on the things where I think it comes into mindset, which is ownership. Right. So I've got a simple thing, the best process win. So this year for us, the process is to win the World Cup. These are the steps we always follow, boys. You get the right people, not the best people. Because sometimes the best people are assholes. Sometimes the best people are self-centered. Sometimes the best people are not team men. So you get the right people. The right people. That's pretty important. Understand that. Don't just come and show me your game actions. If it was an individual game, yeah, come and show me your game actions. If it's a team sport, we are going to war with another country, actually 2 countries, we're going to war, and you on your own with your game specific is not going to win this war fast. Okay, so that's the first thing, get the right people. Get them to work together. Show them what to do and lead by example. Get them to put in the effort, measure the result of the effort. Then you evolve with them, because you the players, you tell us, listen, Russ, it's a cock-mauling plan that, man. Hey, I play against Broden Barrett. Don't tell me to do that. Listen to me, I'm playing against. So we must evolve with you. You guys are the relevant guys on the field. You guys take the ownership. We have to evolve with you. We can't say do this. Jock can't say do this. And you just do it blindly. And you don't 100% believe in it because you are playing against the best players in the world. You feel them every Saturday. You experience new things. I have this old thing how I defend from a scrum. I look at the ball. Maybe it's not relevant anymore. Maybe there's a new thing that you can teach me about that. So we must evolve with you. And that will always stay the process, boys. And then we improve. Get the right people. Get them to work together. Show them what to do and lead by example. Get them to put in the effort. You measure the result of your effort. You evolve with them and then you...